right, so I'm going to start though with something pretty bloody cool, I reckon. So these are very, very simple tips to make more money on Amazon in 2021. All right, so these are just 7 very, very simple tips that will make you more money in 2021. All right, so I'm going to bash through them as quickly as I can for you. So here we go. Here's the first one. So this is a great one that you should all do. It's so simple to do. Set up a Google alert for your business. So the things that I have set up for my business, let's just go and have a look at product. Oh, I actually put this product just for Dominic because I know he loves his magic wand. So I put this up just for Dominic. So what you want to set up is a Google alert for a few different things. So you want to take your ASIN for your product. Doink. And it's at google.com/alerts. And you want to create an alert for your ASIN number. So whatever you want to do. What I do though is basically it's just the defaults. So at most once per day, automatic in English, any region, only the best results, and I deliver it to myself, of course. So hello@rawlocal.com.au, create my alert. Okay, so that's one thing I do. I also set up my brand name. So this is Lulu7. So I will definitely do that too. And I also set up, if I'm using a different business name to my brand name, then I also set that up as well. So I do that for each of my products, and that way I can see if my product has been mentioned anywhere, or indeed if it's been kind of hijacked and somebody's selling it on eBay or something like that, then I can see that too. So it's a very, very simple thing to do. Dead quick to do. Just do it with all your products. You do your ASIN number, your brand name, and your business name if it's different. Okay, that's all you need to do. Dead simple to do. So that's that. Next, doink. This one comes from Melissa Tinsley, who, by the way, is a friggin' superstar. So she's just done, this is in today's AOE group, $150 short of $10,000 for the month, which is, I think we can all agree, bloody awesome from Mel to do that. And I read this and I thought, oh, that's friggin' fantastic. So that's her results right there. Awesome. What I really like though was this. And so if you haven't actually checked this out, you should absolutely go and check it out. I'm going to put it in the questions for you. Send to all. So many lessons learned. Read this because it's a really good one, okay? I found one interesting. Read my $15 product. The manufacturer had the first set folded in half in a poly bag, which is fine for the product, blah, blah, blah. Based on the dimensions, Amazon was charging me $5.75 in fees. For the second order, I asked the manufacturer to pack it flat, which now means, by the way, that can go in an envelope, which is why she has been able to save some money on her product. $1.85 additional profit, and on a $15 product, what's that? 11% extra profit per sale she's making just from one tiny little switch. So there's heaps of things like that on Amazon, but that's a very, very cool one. If you haven't checked out the FBA fulfillment fees, this is for amazon.com.au, but of course they've got these for all the different marketplaces. You absolutely ought to do, so that you know. I'm going to put this in a post for you as well, send to all. You know exactly what is going on with regards to your dimensions, your weights, and very, very often your packaging plays a critical role in determining the profitability of your product. So you can get a huge advantage over somebody else who got their packaging wrong by taking the time to think through your packaging, the dimensions of it, but also the weight of your packaging as well. Like I have personally had saving in my packaging FBA fee costs by using a thinner grade of cardboard for my packaging, and it was that close to be able to see, okay, well, I've now gone into the lower tier, and that put me at a unique advantage over the other sellers. Little things like that can make you a lot of money. So there's that from Melissa. I thought that was really, really cool to include here. Next, This is SimilarWeb. If you haven't been to SimilarWeb before, it's bloody awesome. You should definitely go and check it out. You can see here that Amazon in, what's this for, November had 44 million people visit it, which is a 10%, well, 8% month-on-month increase, which is cool. But if you keep scrolling down, you can see the top referring site for sending traffic to Amazon in Australia is OzBargains, okay? OzBargains. Now, hold that thought, because here we have Mark. I'm going to give you the link to Mark's posts as well. Send to all. So here's Mark. Mark says, is everyone using OzBargain to drive sales to Amazon on Prime Day and Boxing Day? He says it is incredible. And he's absolutely right. It is incredible. It's a great way of sending your traffic to your listing and making some sales. You must offer a coupon code, okay? So you can't just have full price sales. But when you're launching, or if you're doing Prime or Boxing Day sales, Valentine's Day sales, whatever sale you want to have, you can do it through OzBargains. It is 100% free to join, and it will make your life and make your launches on Amazon much, much better. So if you're not using OzBargain, the data tells us you absolutely should be. It's free to do. Go at it. Go get it done. Super, super easy. This one comes from, all right, so this is Vrida. So Lara was asking here, she's in a niche which is all about, she needs lifestyle-based images for her product category, okay? So she's actually doing bedroom decor for her particular product category, but this applies to loads and loads of different things. And Vrida has got a great idea here. So she says, I had a property styling business prior to AOE, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. If you live in Sydney, I could help out. Or why don't you go to a display home village and take a couple of photos there? Really very good. So she could put her own product into a display home and just simply photograph it in situ in a display home to get some great photographs. That's a super cool idea. And another one here from Victoria. Victoria says that she hired an Airbnb for the weekend just to use as a photo background. She took heaps of photos. I thought that was also a bloody awesome idea as well. So if you're looking for lifestyle shots and a place to take them, that's two very, very good ideas. And of course, you absolutely must have, for the majority of products, lifestyle product pictures work super, super well. So that's a great way of doing it. Next, when you're trying to figure out how much to order, how much stock to order, it can be difficult to do that, especially when you're just getting started. You're trying to figure that shit out, okay? So here is a free resource for you that will help you. So this is called FBA Toolkit. It's at fbatoolkit.com. Absolutely is free. So how the hell do you use it? Well, what you need to do is it tells you, so here is beauty and personal care, health and household, tools and gardens. So go figure out what you're looking to sell in, and then you start looking at who are, next one, who are our main competitors and what would my sales be if I was selling really, really well in that category. Okay, so that's what we're trying to get to. Let's have a look at vitamin C serum, just because that's in health and personal care. We're just going to have a look at the bestseller here. So that's the bestseller, True Skin. I know these guys very, very well who do this brand. So we're going to scroll down. Products related to this item, True Skin. Very nice listing. These guys make a ton of sales. So their bestseller rank is right here, look. Okay, so they are number 1 in facial serums, and number 8 in beauty and personal care. So if I just come across to here, beauty and personal care, make sure I'm on the right one, Amazon.com. You can change that just up here, look. So Amazon.com, and number 8, that's what they were. Hit go, wink, let's have a look. So they're doing more than 69 sales a day. of that particular product. So more than 69 sales per day. So that now means, well, you typically have to order about 2.5 months worth of stock, something like that, which factors in making sales and having enough stock on hand and lead time to get your stock and lead time to get your stock manufactured as well. Okay, so 2.5 months, give or take, is about right for most people. So 69 sales a day at $20 a sale. Holy crap, they're making a lot of money. But it also tells you roughly how many units you need to go ahead and order. Okay, so that's FBAtoolkit.com. Super easy. Here's a little tip for you. If you're thinking, what should I start selling in 2021? Something that most people absolutely shy away from on Amazon is selling oversized objects. Okay, so and that's because selling oversized is much more difficult than selling regular small items, and because of that, it's an opportunity because it is more difficult to do. Okay, so if you're looking for some interesting product ideas for 2021, then you could do a lot worse than thinking about selling things that are very big on Amazon, because most people shy away from them. For instance, this is a rabbit hutch. I happen to know these sell really well. This particular product sells around about 10 sales per day. So what's that? 10 by 180 does about $1,800 per day in sales. Okay, and there isn't a great deal of competition for it relative to other high selling items because most people shy away from it. So if you're looking for something interesting, take a look at oversized products. There's heaps of them on Amazon. Okay, all right, so last one for you. What is this? So this is just a really good thing to do when you're starting out and you're thinking about your Amazon PPC and you don't have a lot of money. What I absolutely suggest you do is to set up an automated campaign in Amazon PPC. And if you follow the training in AOE, you'll see exactly how to do that. Set up an automated campaign. I set these up. I bid very low for a click. So typically my bid is 11 cents for a click, and I set a daily budget of $20. So 11 cents a click, $20 budget. I have never ever spent $20. Typically I spend about between $8 and $11 per day on any campaign because my click cost is so low. But what you'd get by that is your advertising cost of sale, because you're only spending 11 cents per click. Your ACOS is ludicrously good. Now, you will not make many sales with this campaign. So this is not a scale your business to 7 figures campaign. This is a, you're going to make some very cheap sales, and you will also discover heaps of cool keywords that you've never thought about running, and heaps of cool placements that you can then set up a placement campaign on. So if you have not got an automated campaign, get one set up, get it running. They're super cool to do. Bid 11 cents and have it. So the default is in Amazon, you bid 11 cents or lower. That's the default. So just do the defaults for everything. 11 cents, auto campaign, $20 a day. Super easy. So that is 7 great ideas to make more money, super simple ideas to make more money on Amazon in 2021. Hope that helps. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free.
It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.